Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback front mud flaps on a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your truck. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. First, locate and remove the factory push pin, located on the plastic fender guard. Then, on the inward side of the fender, locate the hole left from the push pin and install the provided U-clip onto the metal tab located behind the plastic guard, as shown. Next, remove the 3 factory screws on the inner fender. Set them aside for later use. Using 2 of the previous factory screws and 2 provided 1.5 inch stainless washers, loosely install the upper 2 holes of the mud flap. Loosely install the lower 2 holes with 2 provided bolts and 2 1.5 inch stainless washers. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Now carefully tighten all screws and double check to make sure the mud flap is still level. Then, using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill through the inner mud flap hole and plastic liner. Now install the flap to the liner using a bolt and stainless washer, and secure it with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flap kit. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.